if you want your files back on your PC and not inside OneDrive. Let's move everything properly, then remove OneDrive completely. In the File Explorer, look on the left hand side. If you right click your documents, go Show More Options, Properties. If it says C drive, users, and then your own name, whatever name you sign in with, your documents have been stored locally. However, if it's like this one, and if you right click it, go to Show More Options, Properties, and it says C drive, users, user, OneDrive, all your documents, all your personal files are being stored on Microsoft servers. That means all your documents, folders are inside OneDrive, even if you didn't ask for it. Now this is important, do not unlink your OneDrive yet. Even if you do that first, all your files stay in the cloud and they're even harder to access than they are now. The sneaky bit, this bit catches most people out. If they click on OneDrive up here, they try to go back to access all their files and folders, and all it does is show you how much personal space you've used. That's why people think they're on the local files and they're not. The way to get around this one is you need to set up two sides of the screen. So if we grab it on the total bar at the top here, drag this all the way to it fills up this half of the screen. We right click the old yellow folder down here, the File Explorer, and left click to generate a new file, and drag this all the way to the right. Make sure it's in the middle, so we got a half and half. You can also do that by putting your mouse over here, and you got the 50-50 split up here as well. So once you've got this done, really simple. Just go to this PC, local disk C, users. Now mine says user, whatever your name is when you sign into your PC, double click that. And then down here you'll see the OneDrive folder, double click that. And then you can either hold on the left mouse button and highlight all of these, or you can press Ctrl and A on the keyboard. That'll also select everything. We're going to come up here to the scissors and click on cut, and then we're going to go up one folder, this up arrow, and then we're going to go paste, which is this option here, or Ctrl and V on the keyboard. So the items got moved, and there you go. So now if you click on your documents, there's all your documents, and just to verify they're on your machine again, go to Show More Options, Properties. There you go, C drive, users, they're back on your local machine. Next thing to do is to get rid of OneDrive. So let's close these down. Left click. In order to stop OneDrive from resyncing all your stuff back to your folder, click on Start, type in OneDrive. At the top here it says Andy or whatever your personal name is. Click on here. Click on OneDrive. Click on the cog icon. Manage Backup. Switch these toggles off. Say stop and choose where to keep files only on my PC. Continue. Say OK. Same for this one. Stop and choose only on my PC. Continue. And then the final one. Do this for all the toggles. And then click the X in the top right hand corner. Close this. Close this one. Next thing is to ditch OneDrive altogether off your system. Click on Start. Type in OneDrive. On the right hand side here you've got Uninstall. Or you can right click it and bring up the same menu. And left click Uninstall. Just type in OneDrive. Click on three dots. Uninstall. Uninstall. Give it a second. It says, are you sure? Say yes. And there you go. It's completely gone from your system. Your files are now back on your PC. Not syncing, not backing up to anywhere else. Not pushing into a Microsoft account so they can look at them. You're in control. So, quick recap. Check the location of your files. Move files back. Turn the backup off. And uninstall OneDrive and you're done. If you're also seeing a nagging asking you to sign into a Microsoft account, that's a separate setting. I've covered that in a video on the screen now, and I'll catch you in the next one.